What if I told you that there was a website that could actually make you thousands of dollars every single day? Well, it sounds too good to be true, but trust me, it actually is really true. What you need to understand is that the internet is becoming the source of everything. Everybody is now on the internet, so money is flowing all over the internet. So there's actually a lot of money that you can actually make on the internet. Now, this strategy is very easy to do. It is simple. You don't need any money to actually do this thing. It's absolutely free. All you need to do, make sure you watch the video so that I actually explain to you what it's about and what you need to do. Watch the video all the way to the end. Don't skip through the video. Now, you must understand that it's also available worldwide. So if you're in Africa, Australia, Asia, Europe, South America, you can all get access to this opportunity. So before I show you this opportunity, subscribe to the AD Money channel. Just click that red button that says subscribe. It's absolutely free to subscribe. You don't have to pay any money to subscribe at all. Just click that red button and also click on that bell icon. That is the notification bell, so that every time I upload my new videos to help you make more money online, you will receive a notification. So what you want to go onto is a website called promo.com. Now, promo.com, it is basically the platform that deals with creating adverts. Now, you must understand that on the internet, what is actually making people money is adverts. People are trying to advertise what they do to other people. Everybody's trying to advertise what they do to other people. So the more people they reach out to, the more money they make. So what promo.com basically does, it actually just creates adverts for people, helps people create ads so that they can promote their business, promote whatever they're doing. So if we scroll down over here, as you can see, there's so many things that they do: e-commerce ads, Facebook story ads, Instagram video ad maker, YouTube ad maker, LinkedIn video ads, Twitter video ads, Amazon video ads, real estate videos. So it's all got to do with advertisements, ads, so that people can actually promote what they do to other people. Now, if we go onto Google right now, you can see that if I search up how much is spent on social media advertising, you'll see that every year billions of dollars are spent on advertising on social media in the United States. In 2018, the amount reached nearly 27 billion US dollars and included paid advertising on social networks as well as games and applications on social media. 27 billion. Now, that was just in 2018. Now, 2019, it even went higher. 2020, it even went higher. 2021, it will go higher, and it's just going to keep going higher and higher and higher, because everybody is now getting on the internet and trying to promote their stuff. So if this kind of money is available, 27 billion, which means that is a lot of money that is circulating on the internet for people to actually make. So now, how can you participate in this and actually make the money? You need to actually scroll down to the bottom over here, and you're going to see something that says affiliates. So click on affiliates, and I'll show you something over here. Now, affiliates, what you want to do is that you actually want to promote this product, because people need this. People are trying to promote their things, but they are struggling. What promo.com is actually going to do, it's going to help them to reach out to a lot of people. It's going to create ads for them so that they can reach out to so many different people. Now, as you can see over here, there are 3 steps. It's very easy. Become a promoter. Help businesses grow their brand. Share your link and earn up to 30% commission for every sale. So for every sale that you make, you're going to get 30% commission, which is actually really great. And then you can track all your commissions, and I'll explain to you how that works, and then you can make your money. So now, if we check out their pricing plans, what it is that there are 3 different pricing plans. There's annual basic, annual standard, and there's annual pro. Now, this is the best one over here. As you can see, it's $249 per month, and yeah, that is $249 per month. So which is an annual plan, which means that if they do 249 and they multiply that by 12, it's going to make them exactly $2,988 that they need to pay, which means that if you actually get 30% commission of this amount, that is more than $1,000 for one person. So if you actually get 10 people to actually participate in this promo.com, that means that you can make about $10,000 for just basically doing something that is so easy. And the great thing about this is that people actually need this product. People need this. People need to expand their businesses. They need to promote their whatever they're doing, promote their businesses. If you check on Facebook and you watch a video, you all of a sudden see that an advert will suddenly be playing. All of a sudden you watch another Facebook video and all of a sudden an advert will just pop up out of the blue and it's playing. It means that people are trying to promote whatever they're doing. Even on YouTube, you'll be watching a video and somebody's trying to promote what they're doing. You just suddenly see an advert that pops up. It means that people are trying to promote what they are doing. So because of that, promo.com is going to help people to create videos to promote to different people so that they can expand their business. So this is a very valuable thing. So this is what you're going to be promoting to people and making a lot of money from that. So in order for you to actually participate in this, what you want to do is, once you've clicked on the affiliates button, you want to click over here which says join now. It's absolutely easy to do. Once you click on join now, it will take you to a page where you need to register. You can either register with your Google address, or you can just use your email address. Yeah, you can just use your Gmail. It's very easy to do that, and it's a very straightforward process. Now, once you have your account, it will look something like this. This is a brand new account that I've just created for you right now so that you can see how it looks like. So this is your dashboard, which will show the amount of money that you've made, and it will show you all the promotion links and all the people that you have contacted. And what is very important over here is this link over here. So this is the link that you're actually going to be promoting to people, so that every time they click on this link and they actually make a purchase for this plan over here, then you're going to make your money. Now, what you need to see also is that when you go onto YouTube, for example, you're on YouTube over here, you want to type in Facebook video ads, you'll see that different people are making videos that are relating to Facebook video ads. So they want to speak to you about how to create Facebook video ads. They'll just explain to you what Facebook video ads, because people don't really know what Facebook video ads are. People just know Facebook for contacting friends, sending messages, writing on your wall, and so on. So people are trying to bring awareness of the fact that there are Facebook video ads, which means that you can reach out to so many different people on Facebook by sending your ads, letting your ads play on the videos that people are actually watching. So for that matter, as you can see, there are not many views in these videos. For example, there's 39,000, 57,000. So what you would like to do is you would like to actually just create something like this and actually be speaking about this promo.com. So you will create a video similar to this and speak about promo.com, which will then explain to them the benefit of promo.com so that they can actually learn how to do Facebook ads, Instagram ads, YouTube ads. And the great thing about this is that promo.com will do everything for them. So you don't have to actually do anything. Promo.com, the responsibility of promo.com is that it will actually do every single thing for them, the creation of the videos, the promotion, everything. So that is why promo.com is awesome, because it literally just does everything for you. So in order to create a video like that, what you need is a software. For example, this is a software, OBS Studio, where you don't have to show your face in the video. If you don't want to, you can just record your screen. So OBS, which is Open Broadcaster software, you can just download it for free. If you have a Windows, you can click on Windows, or if you have a Mac or a Linux, you can just choose which one, download it for free, and then just create a video. And you can just create a video talking about, you know, about the plans, that it's $249 per month. And then definitely you want to make sure, very important, that this link of yours, you tell them that this is your promo link, and you put it at the bottom or in the description of the video, that they should click on that link so that they can actually check it out and make a purchase. So once they're going to make the purchase, you're going to get 30% of that amount. And it's easy to do because already people, if you see over here, people are actually viewing these videos. I mean, 39,000 is a lot if in terms of actually getting customers to actually buy this product. Even if you get 50 people, that is a lot of money. Even if you get 10 people, that's a lot of money, because with just 10 people you can make more than $10,000. So I hope this helps you, and I hope it's very straightforward. If it sounds a little bit confusing, you can just comment your questions down below in the comment section. I'll make sure to elaborate on any aspect that you explain down there in the comment section, so that you can actually get more clearance. It's very easy to do, and there's a lot of money to be made. So I really hope this helps you, and if you like this video, please just give it a thumbs up, like the video, and subscribe to the AD Money channel. If you haven't already, just click that subscribe button, that red button. It's absolutely free to do, and make sure you click on the bell icon so that you receive a notification every time I upload my new videos to help you make more money online. So thank you so much for watching, and cheers.